Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for 10 subscribers. That's a lot for me, and it feels really nice. So thank you. Enjoying my journey. So in this journey now, this video, sorry, I want us to look at market structure. Market structure. Market structure can be three. It's either an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. These are uh, three major. It's the only three actually. It's the three structures that we have in forex market. That's I do forex, guys. So I'm trying to understand this forex in depthly and make profit. And I'm sharing my journey with you. So an uptrend market example is this market we have here. This is quite an uptrend. If you zoom, it's the best way you can see. You see, you can start from here where the trend started. So the markets, this is, sorry, I don't know why this thing is. This is the lowest point, and then it had the highest point here. So it's continue making higher highs, lower lows. So it reaches the highest point, it form another small highest point here, which it also break through, then form this highest point. So low, this we call higher. This is the lowest point. So it's making higher highs, lower lows. Yeah, that's what we need to know. It's the lowest point. It came down from another new low, went up again, formed a new high, came down, formed another low. Yeah. So there is a place where now the market start consolidating. Like from here, it started consolidating. Remember, you can have more than one structure in a specific market. So this one started consolidating here, and you can see when it broke out of the consolidation, it went continued with the uptrend, higher highs, then came down to form a lower low, another low. They broke the new, it formed another new highs, they broke the highs and formed another new high. They broke here again and went up, formed this high, lower low, it came here. So and then now we are here. Here we are consolidating. Consolidating market is a market can either be going, sorry, like this, come down, form a short new high, come down again. Sorry, I don't know why. Let me start again. So what happens normally, we said we have three structures. So this is another high, came down, another high, another high. This is an uptrend market. It can even come down there, but it shouldn't break this high. If it breaks the low, the trend might change. So that's it. Sorry. So this is an uptrend market. Another structure now is the downtrend. Downtrend also, market start up here, came down, goes up, form another small high, break then low, goes up, Sorry, let me take another one. So it goes up again to this area, then came down, goes up, came down. So you can see it is forming what we called um, so this market here now is forming what I can call the downtrend. It's breaking lows, forming a new high, higher low. It's high, but it's lower than the highest before it. So like that, this small retest normally come to this previous areas of resistance. In this case, it comes here to this area of resistance. Sometimes it breaks, but most of the time it will react, overheat, and goes up. And then when it's coming to retest, it will come to the previous resistance area, form a support, and then move up. And then we have another market structure, which is now moving up, down, up, not really in a down, up, down, up. Yani it's just moving around. So the market is not going anywhere. It's just between two lines. Like from here, it's not leaving this line and it's not breaking out of here. So it's consolidating within this area, these two areas. So that's the two structures we have. Market can consolidate for a very long time. Okay, and if it consolidates like this as a trader, we should be looking for to sell within the zones. You mark your zone very well. Like for example, in this case, we have these two zones, the support and resistance zone. This is a resistance zone. And then here I have a support zone. We can trade within the zone, and also we can trade out of the zone. Now, if it breaks out, we'll wait for retest. Wait for the retest around that zone. If it breaks out like this, I need to wait for a retest to this area. If it goes beyond there, it can be a fake out. So we need to be very keen. Retest and then it will go down. Retest here and then it will come down. Normally, how we trade this breakout is by measuring the distance. By measuring the distance from here to the where the market has been moving around. So most of the time it will go this distance, wherever side it will break to. If it breaks down, it will go down that distance. So you can start by targeting half of the distance and then finishing the distance. I'll show you example. Right now, the market that was doing like that, it was GBP JPY last last week. So and then the trend, the uptrend we normally have, like I was saying, the market can need to retest. Most of the time it will retest, and normally it retests not normally retest around previous resistance area for an uptrend. So in this case you can see this is the resistance area. To break out, retest, goes up. This is the resistance area. To breaks out, retest around the same, goes up. So you can be looking for buys here. You can just be placing, of course, you need to have a confluence of a forex pattern to show that you are buying, and then you buy up to this high or even above it unless it start retesting again. So you can always be looking for a, a buy order. You can have a buy order around previous resistance area. It will come form a support around there and then move. And then downtrend is also the same thing. It will come form a retest the previous support area, form a new resistance, come down, break out of this zone here, come down like that. So the best market that I've seen has this structure is this one. This market has been having moving up since 2022 and beyond, actually. Since 2022 and beyond. This is what I was telling you. This is the new high. Most of the time it will come and retest. Came down, retested. This is the new high. It will come down to this area and then move up again. It breaks out of it. Whenever it breaks out of it, it will normally come to this area. So this is an area of importance to us as traders. You put even your pending order here and you know this is an uptrend market, it will go up. And then you target this previous high. This is really nice pips if you trade with the trend. Never go wrong, by the way. And that's 600, almost 600 pips. Now when it breaks out of now the low, this is the lowest. It has never broke out here. It never broke out of this high, this one. So we won't be moving our. So the most significant support area is this because it broke out, but it never broke out of his. So you can't be trailing your stop to this area. So you wait and see how it will behave here. And then the moment now you see the market is moving up and down, you can see it's consolidating. You now draw your line around the consolidation and wait for it to break out to trade again. And it breaks out, normally it must retest. You can see it retested this area. It came down, retested, and then went up. And now it continued with the break retest continuation pattern, uptrend pattern structure, sorry. So it break, retested. Sometimes it can come down and retest smaller resistance like this one here. So as long as the resistance is within this leg retest area, it is okay. So another time that I've realized now, it might not retest. Like this market here, it just went up. See? But most of the time it retests. So you wait for it to retest. This one is a new high it formed. Retested it and went up. It even tested it twice. See this one now, whenever it tries, it is about to form a consolidation. It normally don't obey this break retest at the support, at the resistance, sorry. Break retest at the resistance, form a new support, move up. So most of the time it doesn't. You see when it broke out here, it started consolidating. This market is still consolidating. Right? Yeah, it's not as smooth uptrend as it was before, though it's still an uptrend. This market's still an uptrend, but as you can see, it broke this high, it broke another high here, it broke the highest high there. But now it is telling me this one might have a very nice retest. So that's it for the structure. Let's go to GBP JPY and show you. I want to show you what happened. What happened last week? Last week I had. Let's go to 4 hour because I was looking at 4 hour for this specific. You can actually use any time frame to trade consolidating market. So this is a consolidation for me. I had this consolidation and it broke out and it retested. You can see it retested almost close to previous support out of consolidation, and it went down. This actually did not complete my entire pattern, but it will probably complete. I don't want to engage now using this pattern because you can see it completed. Actually, it completed. Went up, retested, and then came down all the way to this distance that it was consolidating, and immediately it finished the pattern, it went up. So that's how we normally trade the consolidation market. And those are the big basic structure in Forex. Thank you guys for coming again. So that's what I know, that's what I've learned. For a beginner, you need to know these structures to guide you on the direction of the market. Of course, there is support and resistance, how to draw it, and I'm going to do another video on that. But meantime, I think this is a very good position to start. Thank you, and have a nice day. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel.